Hey! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the world of boating mistakes and witness the funny actions of some pretty dumb folks. And maybe you will wonder, how can they get the license? Take the seat and enjoy this trip together.
لا طلعت مع الشباب الديوانية وقزروها عليك وانت طرادك ما عليه حمام. Oh, this is great.
Hopefully her phone is waterproof.
Estamos grabando. ¡Eh!
It seemed quite painful, but luckily he was fine. Oh, he's still okay. In less than 2 seconds, he can jump from the boat to the dock and into the ocean. I bet she drank quite a bit of alcohol.
Oh no, we don't. I'll go and really taste it.
Finally, he succeeded in exchanging places with the fish.
Okay.
She wants to fully enjoy the feeling of wind, sun, and water. Is this a scene from the 2024 version of the movie Titanic?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Come on, Brent! Swim! Swim! Get away from me!
Rub that belly, baby. You got stuck in the mud, didn't you?
He wanted to impress his friends with a cool trick, and somehow he succeeded.
Ah, you already did it.
He casts very well. Nets and his body are no exception.
А, сучки. Смотрите.
Real. That's a net rod. That's a big tail. There, the net. Got it.
He had just successfully destroyed the boat's railing. That's why you shouldn't drink too much alcohol when on a boat. You should also check the quality of the ladder before you want to board the ship. A boat is definitely not the right place for her to practice yoga. It seems like she was too focused on music.
هذا فرماز كاشكه ناشن
The dogs just didn't know what she just did. If fathers see this, they will not be happy. With all her courage, she achieved success. It seems like she thought she was dancing at a nightclub. All because the shipping floor is too slippery. To make things better, she needs to equip herself with more balance. It's unclear whether he is pushing the boat or whether the boat is pulling him along. He had just been dragged down by a giant fish. Phone proves that sometimes the cameraman has to die. Clearly, this is a cheerful captain with a penchant for joking. He didn't even have time to say goodbye. In your opinion, what will happen to this courageous girl? I guess he just saw a big fish in the water and intended to catch it.
I got this, I got this.
He gave us amazing performances. It would have been a great performance if he hadn't slipped.
Watch this.
She got to play with the fish just as she wanted. Gosh! Nope. It looked a bit painful, but it was an impressive performance.
No la jueguen, no la jueguen.
It was obvious he needed more time to warm up. I hope he will succeed next time.
Did you break it? Just jump. Don't be a little bitch. Don't fall through the sunroof. Holy shit.
He might never stand on the roof of a boat again. The rope broke, but the landing was perfect. She does not hesitate to show off her skills to her dogs.
You need help? What happened?
He successfully impressed his friends with a very silly act.
Grab the fish, grab the fish.
Oh my God.
The captain wanted the girls to take a shower before the photo shoot. Thank you for watching until the end. Please let us know in the comments which moment surprised you the most, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. Goodbye, and see you again.